Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to see the last topic in the module 3, that is AC voltage controller merits, demerits and applications of. Already the last video we discussed the applications of AC voltage controllers. Now what are the other circuits of AC voltage controllers, merits and demerits? First we will see merits of AC voltage control. That is nothing but advantages of AC voltage control. We know AC voltage control is nothing but it is a one type of controller. It converts AC to variable AC. So here we can use the wherever we need the regulated AC supply, we can use this type of controller. So that's why they use this align communication, align commutation, and hence the no extra commutation circuits is required. They have and also they have high efficiency since the device losses are very less, and also circuits and their implementation is very simple if compared to the other type of AC or other type of power electronic circuits, and also maintenance is very less, and running cost and compact size also very less. Okay, because of these are the some advantages of merits of AC voltage controllers. Now we can see the what are the demerits of AC voltage controllers. So in case of already we have the two different types of AC voltage controller. What are they? One is on off and other one is phase control, correct? So in case of a on off control, intermission is nothing but a some disturbance will be coming disturbance power is delivered to the load, so that some disturbance will be developed in the load. So AC voltage control is nothing but it converts, correctly it converts AC to AC. The same thing, whatever we are getting the outputs, some power intermittent is nothing but some disturbance will be happen in the delivered power at the load. So this effect is the load performance. So now the load current is not a sinusoidal in a phase control, hence the harmonics are introduced in supply current also. Because of because of the supply current, some harmonics will be developed. This is one demerit of AC voltage control. And also sharply varying voltages are applied to the load in case of phase angle control. In the phase angle control, sharply varying voltages are applied to the load in case of a phase control of AC voltage controller. So these are the some demerits of AC voltage controllers. Now we can see what are the applications of AC voltage controller, where we can use this AC to variable AC devices. So the first example we can see, that is nothing but AC to AC. It is AC to AC variable, where which type of devices we need the variable AC voltage. That is nothing but where we need the regulation. That is nothing but we can say our home appliances fan. Fan we need the regulator or not? Yes, correct. Fan we can control, so how much speed we want we can keep it. Same thing, fan is nothing but fan, we can use the fans, lightning controls, next to speed control of any AC motors, and saturable core reactors, and industrial heating furnaces. Also these are the some examples where we can use that AC controllers. I can say finally one thing, which devices need the variable AC voltage. That is nothing which devices need the regulated AC voltage. That type of devices we can use this type of AC power electronic circuit, that is AC controllers. Now we can compare what is the comparison of on and off control of phase controller, on and off control and phase control. So already we have two different type of AC, on and on off control and phase control. So in on off control is nothing but it is a full supply voltage is applied across the load for a few cycles of input, but in the phase control voltage is partially applied to the load in every cycle of the input. And thyristor conducts 180 degrees or half cycle. It is triggered at alpha is equal to 0, but here thyristor is triggered at some angle depending upon the output power. And also since the thyristors are switched on at alpha is equal to 0, harmonics due to switchings are reduced. Here thyristors are also here, these thyristors are used as a switched on at angles other than alpha is equal to 0. Hence what will happen, switching harmonics are present here. Switching harmonics are absent in the on off controller. output has a high voltage fluctuations. Here voltage fluctuations are very less in case of the phase controllers. These are the some differences between the on off AC voltage controller and phase AC voltage controllers. Now we can see what are the other circuit configurations of a single phase AC voltage controller. So already in the last video we discussed that single phase full wave controller. So what other configuration we can design to develop our single phase full wave AC voltage single phase full wave. So now we can see the what are the different configurations we can design to produce our single phase full wave controller. That is nothing but a original circuit. We have that single full wave means we need that two SCRs must be isolated. Here we can design one more, that is nothing but this is one circuit diagram we can see. So T1 cathode is connected to T2 cathode, and the same thing D2 cathode is connected to D1 cathode. So here two thyristors and two diodes are connected to perform our single phase full wave control rectifier with a common cathode configuration. So positive cycle, these two T1 and D1 will be conducting. During the negative cycle, T2 and D2 will be conducting, and the same output will be appears. So the power dissipation also increases, the waveforms are the same, and isolation is provided normally, and efficiency is reduced in the circuit. And we'll see the another single phase full wave controller with only the one SCR. So we can use the one SCR and four thyristors. So what will happen during the positive cycle? So during the positive D1, you can see the D1 and thyristor D2 and D2, thyristor T1 and D2, and like this the current will be passing. So D1 T1 and D2 to the load. And second, during the negative cycle, from the load to D3 T1 and D4. So like this, during the negative cycle, second cycle will be conducting, and will get the same like a single phase full wave AC voltage controller. So like this we can do other configuration also for to produce our full wave control rectifier full wave AC voltage controller. And this is the waveform, that one same thing what we designed. What we say AC we have positive and negative. During the positive peak, first thyristor will be conducting, same thing. During the negative peak, second thyristor will be operation everything is the same, but instead of considering the two thyristor, in addition to that we have connected another diodes also to perform the same operation. These are the two circuits already I told. During the positive peak, D1 T1 D2. During the negative peak, from reverse way, load to D3 T1 and D4. I hope you understood. We'll see the remaining modules in the next videos. Thank you all.